everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Lombok, which is one of the islands in Indonesia, and we are driving because we are on the way to Senaru,
North Lombok.
Yeah, because tomorrow we are starting to do the Rinjani volcano trek. And we're very excited, but we're also very nervous, and we're going to vlog it so that in the future we'll look back. Oh my god.
We can see how we survived.
We will survive. But yeah, so a bit nervous, but we're going to just like give it a go and see if we can take on the volcano. I've never been on a volcano before, and neither's Lucy, so
no.
We might get a bit altitude sick.
If we don't get sick in this car, right?
Yeah. We were really sick in the car.
This is a good warm-up.
Yeah. So I hope you all enjoy our journey, and that's the end of it. So we just arrived at our accommodation for the night. Just very basic. Bathroom, bed.
Oh, we've got a bolster.
A what? Oh, we can do yoga. And yeah, so we have arrived, and I think we want to go and find some food because we're pretty hungry. And then yeah, I guess we'll just relax the rest of the evening, get ready for the hike, and we start in the morning. So yeah. Okay, so this is the map. And we're gonna be starting from, oh, I actually don't know which one we're starting from, here or here. Oh, here. So we're starting here in Sambalan village, and we will be trekking all the way up to the crater. And then I guess, do we go down here?
No, then we just go straight back down.
Oh, I'd quite like to see the hot spring, you know.
Yeah,
but it's
I
fine.
think that's only if you're doing
2 days,
one,
3 days.
3 days.
Yeah. Oh, and then we basically end up going back down the same way. So look at Lucy in her very colourful outfit.
With my strawberry Fanta.
Strawberry Fanta. How is it?
Very like fake strawberry.
Oh, lovely. You can see a tiny bit of the volcano. Yeah, Lucy just found a guy on a... Were you on the boat?
Well, he was the guy that organised the boat tour with,
right.
and then we were like waiting for the bus, and he was like, oh yeah, look at my trek, and he was like, special friend, special price, and I was like, yeah.
So we paid about 2.25 million, which is about 120 pounds ish for like the 2 days trek, and everything is included, but we're not sure yet if we're going to get given rucksacks. But I really hope so, because my rucksack is really small and it's not going to fit. So let's see. We'll update you when we find out more information. Bye. We've got some fried noodles and some garu garu, which is like a peanut sauce with vegetables and rice. And this is kind of like fried indomie. So good. So we're just packing for tomorrow. We've got our poles, our bags. It's a bit of a mess in here, but... Yeah. Morning, everyone. It's currently 6:30 in the morning, and we are gonna have some breakfast before we set off on the walk. We're feeling very tired. Yeah. But we are excited and raring to go. Yeah. The things the porters carry looks kind of very uncomfortable. We're at the start of the trek. You can see the mountain in the background. How are you feeling?
I feel excited.
Yeah, we're ready to go. So here is the volcano. This is the start. These are like the porters, and they like carry things like all the camping gear and clothing. starting and I'm actually quite nervous. It doesn't look as steep on the camera, but it's so steep. So we just reached the first kilometre and so far so good. Yeah. Where are we?
We are at Point 2.
Yeah.
We made it. It's on 4 it's been about 1 hour.
Hey. It's really funny. Hi everyone, we are currently at in between 2 and 3 and we're about to climb, I think, quite high.
Yeah, we've just done that.
Yes, very sweaty, but it's good. It's really pretty. And yeah, that's about it. We made it to Pos 4 now, and then we are heading up to the campsite on the next leg. How are you feeling?
Good, just doing some stretching.
Yeah, so far it's been not too bad, but I think the next part is the hardest part, so wish us luck. Hi everyone, I'm currently sat down because I'm taking a rest. No idea where Lucy is. She's like so fast, so she's probably already at campsite. But we're on the final stretch, so we're just going from Pos 4 all the way to the campsite, but it's like really steep. I don't know if you can really see, but yeah, so that's where we're at. Hello, currently still climbing up to campsite. It's actually really hard because the floor is like so pebbly. As you can see, it is just like climbing up sand. And we made it to the top. Whew. However, these are some spectacular views we've got going on. Reached the top, but then it turns out there's like 4 campsites along the ridge, and like no one told us which campsite we were at, and then no one was at the top when I was at the top because it was like staggered, and so now I got really lost and I'm really annoyed because no one came to find me, but it's fine. However, these are some spectacular views we've got going on. One of our guides. What's your name?
My name is Ati.
Ati, yeah. He's very strong. Yeah, we are still walking to find our tent. It's not ideal. I found Lucy, everyone.
Hi, yeah.
She's here.
We made it.
Ooh. Okay, so we made it to the campsite and it's beautiful. It's a real golden hour right now. And we're just sat watching the sunset basically, and then I think we're gonna get dinner and get a nice early night, and it's just lovely, isn't it? It's just beautiful, so beautiful. And there's someone flying their drone, so hopefully I can get his videos somehow. Yeah. Any thoughts, Lucy?
I'm in awe actually.
Yeah, me too.
It's so cool being in the clouds.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's just amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, the drone's coming towards us.
Oh yeah, the drone's coming. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the toilet situation. It's just literally a hole in the ground.
It's just so cool, the clouds. I've never been like just like.
This is the food. We've got like a curry with rice. Okay, so you currently can't see anything in this video, but just updating you all that me and Lucy are in our tent.
We made it.
We are nice and cozy. It's not too cold right now, but you know, it could get colder. And yeah. Good morning. It is currently I don't know, really early in the morning, like 6 something, and we are watching the sunrise, and we actually missed some of the sunrise, but we're watching the rest of it, so it's fine. Lucy's over there. And then we're gonna get some breakfast. Woo. So we're just starting our walk back down, and it's gonna take a few hours. So we are starting the journey down the mountain. It's currently like just after 8 o'clock, and the view is amazing, but it's very slippy, so we're gonna have to be really careful going down. But yeah, 10 minutes into the morning walk and Lucy is on her bum. Oh my god. He almost just crashed.
You love this spot?
Yeah, it's really good. We made it to pause 3. 3 more to go, and then we finish. And we've somehow adopted.
Indonesia friends.
Yes, duluan.
Wow. This is our new friend. He is helping us get down the mountain. You want to say anything?
Nama Anda?
Oh ya, saya perkenalkan nama saya
Yay!
Rizal.
Okay.
Rizal.
And this is our other friend.
Mia Caramel.
Yay! Everyone smiles. Hey, we made it to pause 2. Now we just have pause 1 to go, and then walk from pause 1 to the start again, and then we're finished. And we're just having some more Indomie, and we feel great, right? Everyone, this is the current update. We are so tired.
We're so ready
And
to go.
we just really want to be at the end now. We think we're almost at the
pause 1 is
first pause. And then after that it's just like maybe an hour, like
less than an hour.
less than an hour, so
Well, that's how slowly we
yeah,
go.
hopefully we're almost there, but we're both feeling a bit sick. Let's see how it goes. And this is it, this is the end. Wow, we are finishing the Hajang. No, not Hajang, oh my god. And that is the end. We made it. Woo! Oh, yes, we finished. We climbed, literally climbed the volcano.
Survived.
We survived, and I look atrocious. Oh my god.